Hi, and welcome to this Tech Insights video. My name is Mary, and I'm an application engineer here at IFM Effector. You are here because you have either purchased or plan to purchase one of our TCC temperature sensors. In today's video, we are going to go over the installation guidelines of these sensors. So let's get started. So here you have the Learn More section on our website for our TCC temperature sensors. On the left-hand side, you can see various tabs that go over the technology used in these sensors, the applications they are used in, and the testing that is done in IFM's lab for these sensors. In the out-of-the-box performance tab, you can see that IFM is accredited by A2LA to the international standard, and this is the testing that these sensors undergo to guarantee out-of-the-box performance. Below, you can see the different accuracy specs and repeatability specs, along with charts that compare them to competitor sensors. If you scroll back up to the Extreme Testing tab, in this section, you can see different results of testing done to see how thermal shock impacts the temperature drift and the temperature sensor's lifespan, as well as how the flow velocity impacts the weld strength of the TCC housing. Next, I'm going to take you into the Setup and Support tab so that you can see the different installation guidelines for this sensor. In the Installation Guidelines section, you can find a chart that shows you the different process connections we offer for the TCC sensors. Below that, you can find the recommended sensor orientation section. You can see that there are not a lot of mounting limitations for these sensors. We just recommend that you do not mount it in the bottom of a tank or a pipe to avoid any buildup on the tip of the sensor. These sensors are also sanitary sensors, so we offer various 3A approved adapters. The main thing that these adapters require is that they have a weep hole in order to determine if the O-ring becomes loose or damaged. So now let me show you how to navigate to the datasheet of your specific sensor so that you can find more detailed information on the specs of your sensor. If you scroll to the top of the page where you have the Enter Search Term bar, you will enter the part number of your specific sensor. In this video, I am using a TCC831, and then you can press Enter. And now you can see that it brought you to the technical details of your specific sensor. Under the Downloads tab, you can also find the operating instructions for these sensors. If you want to get back to the Learn More page, if you scroll to the top where it says Smart Diagnostic Transmitters with Calibration Check and click on that, you will be at the overview page of these sensors, of this sensors page, and you will click on the orange Learn More button. And then you are back at the Learn More section of the TCC sensors. So that concludes this Tech Insights video on the installation guidelines of our TCC temperature sensors. As always, you can check out the Learn More section on our website for helpful information on any of our products. Feel free to contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.